Hello viewers, what's up? This is Sajidz and you guys watching Sajid's Take. In this video, I'm going to talking with about a super trick that can amaze you and your friends in the Facebook. And that trick is like that. Here you can make a trick that can just take the animation of your photo, and here it just concentrate on the subject of that photo, and after that it just make a 3D animation on that. And here guys, according to my information, I think you also see something like that in the previous in your Facebook. So what's that? In this video I'm going to talking with about. So before just starting that video, that I have a big request for you guys. Still now, if you are not the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you guys. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to open up your Facebook there. So from here, first of all you need to go to in the search bar, and from here search like Facebook 360, and I have already searched, and here you can see like that. So first of all, here after going this, you need to like this page, and here I just take like this page from my profile, and you can also do it by your pages too. And now go to the back, and from here I need to close this tab from here. And now after that I need to open up that tab in my mobile phone again. So now from here you need to go to this what's on your mind, and from here you will get an option called the 3D photo. Now select this 3D photo from here, and now from here you need to select that specific image that you want. And here guys, you can see that this photo is converting into the 3D photo. And after that, here guys, you can see that my photo has already get 3D here, and here guys you can see that everything is like that, and here it's on that 3D animation as there. Now here you can post it in your Facebook or not. Now it's your decision guys, and by that way you can also create a 3D animated photo by your Android mobile phone in the Facebook. And here guys, you needn't to install any type of third-party apps there. So from here guys, I think it will be really important and interesting topic for you guys. Now it's your turn to use it in your mobile phone. Now guys, if you get something more fun by using this method, then I request you, please give like that video, comment me below on this video guys, share this video with your friends and so on guys. So no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.